everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. So this is a fairy lantern crafting kit. Let me go ahead and show you everything that comes in here. I'm going to show you my daughter's putting together. You have little paint brushes right there. And it comes with everything that you'll need in order to do this. You can see it has like all this stuff in the inside, which I'm gonna have my daughters put it together, and then you can choose from like all these different fairies to put in there. And then in this jar, as you can see, it has all of this stuff. It has some lights, remote controls, and then it also comes with glitters. You can see right there. So let me go ahead and I'm going to add a clip of my daughters actually putting it together right now. So as you can see, this is everything that comes in here. These are the instructions to it, but let me go ahead, grab my daughters and let them start building their own little lanterns. Okay, so this is what they look like. Go ahead and turn them on. Let me see what they look like on.
Yeah.
Oh, they are on. Very cute. You can see. Now, I do suggest, like, you can put a lot of glitter like this, but the light's not going to show. If you put a little less glitter, it's going to be a little more see-through, and it's going to look prettier. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.